plus bracket 6 times 5 bracket to the power cube equal 30. Now the exponential equation a times b bracket to the power m is equal a to the power m plus b to the power m. We just apply this exponential formula into this exponential equation, then we'll get now 3 t to the power cube, then 6 is equal to the power m, and 3 will be b to the power m, this type. Then 6 to the power cube times 3 to the power cube plus 6 to the power cube times 4 to the power cube plus 6 to the power cube times 5 to the power cube. So here we can know t to the power cube equal, from this equation 6 to the power cube is everywhere, so we can easily take common from the and get 6 to the power cube common bracket 3 to the power cube plus 4 to the power cube plus 5 to the power cube bracket. After that the equation will be look like t to the power cube. Guys, are you like this solving process? Please subscribe our channel. I just wanted to build a community where we are together learning math from each other. Please. Now here we have to simplify this. Then we'll go at t to the power cube 6 to the power equal 6 to the power cube, and whole thing plus its value will be 216. So here t to the power cube 6 to the power cube, and here 216 will be 6 times 6 times 6 is equal 216, is also equal 6 to the power cube value. So we can easily write 216 value is 6. Use another exponential law, which was a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to am plus n. Just if they are multiplied this power, we can easily take plus both. Then it will be look like t to the power cube is equal 6 to the power 3, 6 to the power 3 plus 3. So the equation should like t to the power cube equal 3 plus 3 is equal 6 to the power 6. We can write 6 equal 2 times 3. So here 3 t to the power cube and bracket 6 square to bracket whole cube. So here just to use the value of formula to the power m times n equal to the power n bracket to the power m. Just this, nothing else here more, right? Now we can write t to the power cube equal 36 to the power cube, because 6 square is equal 36. So we have to replace the 36 to the power cube value in left side. Then it will be look like 3 to the power cube minus 36 to the power cube equal 0. So here we have to use a cube minus b cube formula in here. So the after using this formula in this equation, it will be look like t minus 36 bracket t square plus 36t plus 36 square equal 0. So now we have get here to very close the answer. Here we can write t either t minus 36 is equal 0. So the value of t equal 36. We can write this in the value number 1 of t. This is answer 1. So we get our first answer. Now we have to get 2 more answer. Now we write our equation t square plus 36t equal 36 whole square equal 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and b is equal 36 and c is equal 36 square. Now we have to write the formula of quadratic equation was t equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here we have to replace this a, b, c's value in this equation. Then we can write 36 plus minus 36 root of square root over 4 times 36 square divided by 2 times 1. So simplify this equation, it will be easy tax. Third minus 36 plus minus 36 times minus root over 3 divided by 2. So here we can write, after multiplying by 2, a minus 18 plus minus 18 root over 3i, because root over minus 3 equal root over 3i. So the value of t2 will be minus 18 plus 18 root over 3i and 3 cube minus 18 root over 3. This is the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you.